Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I am going to give you the solutions for week 3 assignment of The Joy of Computing Using Python quiz solutions. So please watch the video till the end without skipping, because if you skip the video, you will miss some changes I will make in between the video. So please watch the video till the end. So friends, these are 100% correct answers. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section without any hesitation. I will reply for the valid queries. First question: which is the method to insert an item into a specified position in a list? The answer for first question is option 3. That means insert. Push is used to insert an item at the top of the stack, but not in a specified position. So it is insert method. And second question: which method returns the number of occurrences of an element in a list? The answer for second question is again third option, that is count method. And moving on to the third one, the function random.randint of 1, 100 in Python generates. So it gives number from 1 to 100, any one number in the range 1 to 100. Both the values are inclusive. That means it may generate 1 and also 100, or in between values. Anything is possible. So the answer is first option. And moving on to the fourth question, the method open of file name comma r plus is a special mode, so it is used to both read and write. That means third option. It helps us to both read and also write to the file. That is third option. And moving on to the fifth question, consider the list. So they have given a list and they are asking the output of L of 3:6. So when I did this, I got the answer for fifth question as option A, 2, 3, 5. So mark first option as correct answer for fifth question. And moving on to the sixth one, what is the output of the code? So they gave a code, they are asking the output. So I did this, I got the answer as 0. That means mark first option 0 as correct answer for sixth question. Moving on to the seventh one, what is the output of the following code? So they gave a code, they are asking the output. So when I did this, I got the answer as 1. Only 1. So I will zoom this. You can see that the answer is 1. I will zoom back again. So moving on to the eighth question. So again they gave a code and are asking for the output. So for eighth question, the answer is false true. That means first option, false true. And moving on to the ninth one, again they gave a code and are asking for the output. So I got the answer as fourth option, that is 4.5. So mark fourth option 4.5 as correct answer. And the final question, that is 10th one, which among the following statements is true with respect to the code given below? So the answer for 10th question is count equals 450. That is fourth option again. So mark fourth option as correct answer for 10th question, that is count equals 450. So friends, these are the solutions for this assignment. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. I will try to reply for the valid questions. So if for further weekly videos regarding this course and also the other courses, please keep supporting our channel. Until then, goodbye, thank you. And also for programming assignment, once refer the channel, I am also uploading that. Okay, thank you.